Updating your legal name on SuperRare is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your SuperRare account by entering your credentials on the website. Make sure you are logged in to proceed with the name update. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the Profile menu or dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Find the Name Update section. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit required documentation. Prepare and upload any necessary documentation that verifies your legal name change. This may include a marriage certificate, court order, or government-issued ID. Ensure that the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your documentation, review the changes and confirm your request. You may receive a confirmation email once your name has been successfully updated. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on SuperRare should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to SuperRare support for assistance.